right, shalom. Before I begin this lesson, I want to give all praises, honor, and glory unto Yahweh, Bahashem, Yahweh Shai, Bahashem, Racha Kwadash. Double honors to our elders and apostles of great millstone that rule well and taught us the truth. Salutations to the hopeful elect, Yahweh Shai's elect, preaching this word and this doctrine in full truth, honesty, and sincerity. All right, I'm the brother Chakam, coming back once again through the Spirit to bring this lesson out. And this is going to be a Hebrew lesson. And in this lesson, we're going to go into the difference between, as y'all brothers can see and sisters, two different Hebrew letters is Cha, and Ka. All right, we got Cha, and then we got Ka, which they might sound similar, but they determine how you spell out a certain pronunciation of a word. So we're going to break down a falling word. All right, and this goes for especially, young brothers that come into this truth that they might have some trouble trying to distinguish between the both. But an example would be the word kal, for example, that I got right here, for example, which means all. So we commonly say this word and when we pray, when we say kal halayim, which means all praises. Kal means all. Now, when we say kal, it's not chal, it's kal because we're using ka and la. Now, this is the ka and this is the la. Now, notice how there's a connector. So that means we're dropping the a. So it's going to be ka, and then at the end, just pronounce the L. So it'll be call. All right. Now, for example, when we say call and we think that is cha, it will be written down like this, which is completely incorrect. All right. This is where the confusion is. Because not chal, it's call. Okay. So it's very essential to know what are you pronouncing. All right. Because cha and ka are different. Because if a brother tells you to spell the word in Hebrew letters kal, and if you don't know if you're saying cha or ka, you might write it like this, which is incorrect. This is the correct way of saying it. This is cha, and this is ka. All right. So this is just a quick little lesson for brothers that, come into this truth and need edification on these two pronunciations, because they sound similar, but based off how you pronounce them determines on how you write it out, which is very, very important. All right. So Lord willing, this video was edifying. On to the next one. Shalom.